How to see your following list on Shein app. Our guest person is you to see your following list on Shein application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Shein application on your mobile device. Once you open the Shein application, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on followings. Once you click on followings, your following list will be shown. It's quite simple, right? That's it, guys. That's how you're gonna view your following list on Shein application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding Shein app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.